Welcome to Cityview. This is elevated living just a block off the Commons. We're here today to see apartment 1N. This is a studio apartment located on the first floor of the building. Let's go on inside. On inside is your galley style kitchen on your left with a microwave, an electric oven and range, and your refrigerator. Further down, you'll have a nice large hall closet with 2 access doors. On into the living area, you'll have 5 pieces of furniture, a dresser, a full-size bed, a desk chair, and a bookshelf. One unique feature of all of our floors in this building is the nice high ceilings and tall windows that let in lots of natural light in this north-facing apartment. Every unit is air conditioned and has a heating element. Another unique feature of our buildings is our intercom system, so you can buzz your friends in. Finishing up in the bathroom, all the bathrooms in Cityview are nice and large, with full shower and tub combos, vanity with medicine cabinet. Rent here in Cityview includes heat, hot water, trash, and recycling. You're responsible for electricity. High-speed internet is available upon request. Thank you for coming on a tour today of Cityview 1N. Call us today for availability.